Have you ever looked around and wondered how the things that are part of our daily lives are created? Imagine having the ability to create and design at your whim, visualizing drawings in real time. Our tutorials are short, practical, and designed to focus on the essentials. Did you know that mastering 3D modeling opens doors to incredible job opportunities? From engineering and industrial design to animation and video game development, skills in SolidWorks are highly valued. This course covers everything you need to know about SolidWorks, from sketching and solid operations, 2D plan design, to assemblies, and much more. Without further ado, it's time to launch SolidWorks and start creating. We will show you how to start a new project, whether it be a part, an assembly, or a drawing, and guide you through the graphic environment so you feel comfortable from the first moment. Don't worry about the amount of information. With each design you complete, you'll adapt more to the environment and discover how intuitive 3D modeling can be. So first, select the unit in millimeters. There are different ways to start a design, but we'll design from the top view. Click on the top view, and in the sketch window, click on Sketch. Select Center Rectangle, and click in the center of coordinates for reference, then draw a rectangle. Define the dimensions with Smart Dimension, and to accept the measurement, click Enter. To turn it into a 3D solid from this sketch, go to the Features window and select Extruded Boss Base. Assign the height of the solid and confirm it. Sometimes, you might need to modify an operation. To do this, right-click on the operation and select Edit Feature. In this case, we will adjust the height and confirm the changes. Now that we have a 3D piece, I'll show you some controls. Click on the top face of the piece and press Ctrl+8. With the mouse wheel, you can zoom in and out of the solid. If you keep the wheel pressed and drag the mouse, you can change the viewing perspective. If you press Ctrl+8 plus mouse wheel and drag, you can pan the view without rotating the piece. If you right-click, you can see a wheel with different views. By selecting the view and Ctrl+8, you can see the normal face of the piece. Having seen these basic controls, let's make a hole in the piece. Select the top face and click on Sketch. Select a circle and draw it from the center of coordinates. Assign the diameter dimension with Smart Dimension. From Features, select the Extruded Cut operation and give it a value of 10 millimeters. To continue and smooth the corners, use the chamfer operation. Select the edges and confirm the operation. To finish, we'll use the fillet operation to round the edge of the circle. Congratulations, you've designed your first 3D piece. See you soon and good luck on your path to mastering SolidWorks.